Hi everyone, I'm Nick Corp. They say inspiration strikes in the strangest places, but for me, it happened right at the dessert table. My wife has a massive sweet tooth for fruit desserts, so I decided to turn that inspiration into liquid art. Well, why I wanted to brew this beer, it comes down to being able to just share a drink that both you can enjoy, whether it's with your family, your spouse, anybody else in your family, or friends coming together. And I think iGulu accomplishes a lot of that in being able to make a clean, fresh beverage at home that you could share with those you care about. So I'll continue to create and brew with iGulu at home so I can share with all those I care about. All right, everybody, the moment we've all been waiting for. Dive into this tasty IPA. I think I could speak for us all. We're all excited for a hop forward one on the iGulu, and this one does not fail, you guys. So I'm going to get into the tasting here and talk a little bit about what I think of it. So beautiful color here. I got the CO2 adapter part on here, so a little bit of head on there, but the clarity is just a beautiful looking IPA all around. There is a few things I do. I do use some beer salts, and I use distilled water. So that seems to help with just all around flavor, but clarity too that I get in these beers. But wow, I mean, look at that beauty there. It is a wonderful IPA. Little hazy clarity, but that's expected with this big of a hop profile with it. So taste. So shockingly, this has a good bite and floral kind of taste to it, but not too much. So thank you, iGulu, for listening to our feedback and producing this wonderful double IPA, and I look forward to see what all you do and what we got coming next to explore with. Bye everyone.